In this video, we're going to show you how to create your very own Coinbase wallet so you can participate in DeFi, collect your NFTs and much more. So let's begin. The very first step is to simply download the Coinbase wallet app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. And once that's done, open it up, wait for it to load. And then you can either choose to create a new wallet, or if you already have one, just select I already have a wallet. But I'm going to choose create a new wallet. Okay, then just wait for it to load. So now here's the chance to claim your free username. So keep in mind, you can only change this once a year. So if you're not really sure on what to use, you can always add it later on. So I'm just going to press maybe later. So now that we've created our wallet, we can go through other features. So just simply click on the top left and then settings, click on the first wallet. And if you want to change up your username, just click on set up profile. So note to self again, you can only change this once a year. So just be careful with what you choose. Heading back, the next thing that you have to set up is a recovery phrase. And this is simply a 12-word phrase that acts as a key to your wallet. So you better keep this safe. And in case you think you might lose it, just go ahead and back it up using the iCloud or Google Drive. Now, heading all the way back, let's look at some other features. So for instance, if you want to create a new wallet, just go ahead and select create a new wallet. And it's going to take you here where you have to create a recovery phrase too for this wallet. So just remember to keep this safe. Of course, you can't share it with anyone or else your crypto will be at risk. So it's really best to keep that in mind. Now, of course, if you already have a wallet, you can just go ahead and click on import wallet and you can either restore it. If you already backed it up, you can either restore it from the cloud or Google Drive, or you can simply enter your recovery phrase to gain access to it as well. So returning to the assets tab, if you want to fund your wallet, all you have to do is click on get started. And then simply just choose the crypto that you want to buy. Now, if you live in an unsupported region, don't worry, you can still choose to receive crypto by selecting the coin you want to receive. This is going to be paired up with a QR code and an address, so all you have to do is share that with the sender, or you can also transfer from your Coinbase account. So let's go ahead and do that. Once you're here, just click on authorize. Now, keep in mind, in order to do this, you're going to have to verify your Coinbase account first. But once you do, you can now start managing your crypto and your NFTs all in one place. So if you found that insightful, let us know in the comments. And please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.